Hey guys, this is Zach for Nimbly Market, and today we're going to be unpacking and cooking the DIY Bicol Express Kit. Let's take this guy apart now. Let's just take away our instructional sleeve here and just open this up. Each of the packages, or packets rather, are numbered. So all you got to do is follow the instructions and you'll be able to figure out how to put it all together. In a preheated pan, let's say like a medium-low heat, we're just gonna take our packet number 1, which is our oil, and just get that in there. Make sure oil's nice and evenly distributed. And open it up and drop it in. Oh yeah. Sizzle, sizzle. And what we're going to do now is just let our pork brown a little bit. And just let it sit, let it do its thing, let it, naturally caramelize and brown a little bit. Just get the flavors of the pork that is on. Now that your pork's got a little bit of color, you want to add your garlic in there. Yeah, we'll let that go for a little bit as well. Now we're going to add the rest of our ingredients. Package number 4, which is our pepper. Next up is your coconut milk and cut. Oh yeah. This is where the fun begins. Oh, I wish you guys smell this. I love the smell of coconut milk. And then, after that, we're gonna add our chilies. Well, obviously, it's up to you whether you want to add all 3 or 2 or 1. It's all up to your personal preference. You're just gonna cover it and then let it braise up for a little bit. It's that easy. What you're aiming for, you want to get it to be reduced by about half. Oh, that smells good. Let's give that a quick stir. Yeah, it's nice and thick now, so you're just about ready to go. The last thing you want to do is just season it a little bit with the salt. Packet number 7. But again, you don't need to use all of it, just a little bit, season to taste. Essentially, it's up to you how salty you want it, so just do a little bit. That should be good. And then just give it a stir. That's it. Let's start playing this bad boy, huh? Now we're on to the very last part of our little cooking session. We're gonna put plating and my favorite part, actually eating the food. All right, so let's just open. Just gonna grab our spoon and just throw it onto our plate. And then after that, we're gonna take our last packet, packet number 8, which is our fried garlic, and just finish it off. Just a little bit, not too much. Not bad, huh? All right, guys, and that's it. There you have it, your DIY Bicol Express. It's so easy to make. It's got pre-cut ingredients. Literally takes like 3 steps to make, and the meat is locally sourced, so it's a win in every box. This is Zach for Nimbly Market. Just wishing you bon appetit and let's do this. Oh yeah, boys, good. See you later. You're still watching me eat?
Yeah.
Pwede na yan.
What do you think?
Pwede na yan.